I'm in the field and John is helping me behind the camera. So we have a broken dishwasher here, and this is common. This happened with my dishwasher. And see right here, this little support that holds the wheel broke off. So we're going to take this out like this, pop these end caps off, and then slide your part where we're replacing is this right here. Looks like we have a situation. This is the new part. Just discovered it's broken. Womp womp. And so I guess this is an episode of DIY or don't even try. But we're going to try to get another part. And so stay tuned for part 2. DIY or don't even try, to be continued.